Hello guys, what's up? Hope so you all are fine. So without wasting your and mine precious time, let's get started. Hey movie lovers, are you tired of endlessly scrolling through endless streaming options and still not finding something to watch? Well, it's time to switch gears and dive into the world of Tubi, your new favorite streaming app for iPhone. With Tubi, you can say goodbye to subscription fees and hello to thousands of movies and TV shows, all for free. Yep, you heard that right, no monthly charges, no hidden fees. Just pure entertainment right at your fingertips. From the latest blockbusters to classic gems, Tubi has it all. Whether you're into heart-pounding thrillers, laugh-out-loud comedies, or must-see dramas, there's something for everyone. And guess what? Tubi's library is updated regularly, so you're always in the loop with fresh content. Getting started is a breeze. Just download the Tubi app from the App Store, create an account, and you're ready to start streaming. You can even customize your watch list, so your favorite movies and shows are always just a tap away. So, why wait? Unleash your inner binge watcher and transform your downtime with Tubi. Download the app now and start enjoying endless entertainment, all on your iPhone. Now we are heading towards the second app of the list. Ready for a new way to stream your favorite movies and TV shows? Check out IMDb Streaming. With IMDb Streaming, you get access to an incredible selection of films and series, all available right on your iPhone. Simply download the IMDb app from the App Store and dive into a world of entertainment. Browse through top-rated movies, trending TV shows, and exclusive content that you won't find anywhere else. The app's sleek design makes it easy to find what you're looking for, with personalized recommendations tailored to your tastes. Whether you're craving a classic film, the latest hit series, or something new and exciting, IMDb Streaming has got you covered. And the best part? You get all this great content without any subscription fees. So why wait? Download the IMDb app today and start streaming instantly. Now we're heading towards the third app of the list. Looking for a unique streaming experience that's both enriching and free? Say hello to Kanopy, the streaming app that brings you a world of film and documentaries right to your fingertips. Kanopy offers an extensive collection of movies, documentaries, and educational content, completely free, thanks to your library card or university login. That's right, with Kanopy, you can access thousands of critically acclaimed films and thought-provoking documentaries without spending a dime. Getting started is a breeze. Just download the Kanopy app from the App Store and log in with your library or university credentials. Once you're in, you'll find an impressive library curated with a diverse range of genres and topics. From award-winning films and classic cinema to contemporary documentaries and foreign films, Kanopy has something to satisfy every taste. But that's not all. Kanopy's user-friendly interface makes discovering new content easy. You'll receive personalized recommendations based on your viewing history, so finding your next great watch is just a tap away. Plus, you can create watch lists, save your favorites, and enjoy an ad-free streaming experience. Whether you're relaxing at home or on the go, Kanopy turns your iPhone into a gateway to high-quality, enriching content. And with new titles being added regularly, there's always something fresh to explore. So, why not expand your horizons with Kanopy? Download the app from the link provided in the description box. Now we are heading towards the fourth app of the list. Ready to dive into a world of amazing stories and unforgettable experiences? Discover Discovery Plus, the streaming app that brings you the best in real-life entertainment right on your iPhone. With Discovery Plus, you'll get access to a treasure trove of content from all your favorite networks like HGTV, Food Network, TLC, and more. Whether you're a fan of home makeovers, culinary adventures, true crime, or nature documentaries, Discovery Plus has something for everyone. Getting started is super easy. Just download the Discovery Plus app from the App Store and sign up for a subscription. Once you're in, you can explore a vast library of exclusive shows and series, plus get early access to new episodes and trending content. What's more, Discovery Plus offers personalized recommendations tailored to your interests, so you can quickly find your next binge-worthy series or intriguing documentary. And with offline viewing options, you can enjoy your favorite content even when you're on the go and without an internet connection. The app's sleek, user-friendly design makes navigating through thousands of titles a breeze. Plus, with new content added regularly, there's always something fresh and exciting to discover. So why wait? Download Discovery Plus from the link provided in the description box for your convenience. Now we're heading towards the app of the list. Looking for an incredible way to enjoy books, audiobooks, music, and movies all in one place? Say hello to Hoopla, your ultimate streaming companion that's completely free with your library card. With Hoopla, you get instant access to a vast collection of digital content from your local library, all right on your iPhone. Whether you're in the mood for the latest bestseller, an engaging audiobook, chart-topping music, or blockbuster movies, Hoopla has got you covered. Getting started is a breeze. Simply download the Hoopla app from the App Store and sign in with your library card. Once you're logged in, you can start browsing through an impressive selection of ebooks, audiobooks, music albums, and films, all available for immediate borrowing with no waitlists or holds. Hoopla's user-friendly interface makes finding and enjoying content a pleasure. You can create personalized wishlists, download titles for offline access, and even sync your progress across devices. Plus, with no due dates, you can enjoy your borrowed content at your own pace without the pressure of returning it on time. Whether you're relaxing at home or on the go, Hoopla turns your iPhone into a gateway to endless entertainment and knowledge. And the best part? It's all completely free with your library card. So, what are you waiting for? Download Hoopla from the link provided in the description box.
We're diving into the world of Plex.tv, the ultimate app for organizing, streaming, and enjoying your favorite content, whether it's movies, shows, or even your own photos. Imagine having all your media in one place, accessible from any device, anytime. That's exactly what Plex offers. With its sleek interface, you can easily set up your own media server and stream your library across all your devices, smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, you name it. Setting it up is a breeze. Just install the Plex media server on your computer, add your media files, and voila! You've transformed your device into a powerful streaming hub. Plex even automatically fetches metadata like cover art and descriptions, making your library look stunning. But wait, there's more. Plex isn't just for your own collection. With the Plex Pass subscription, you get access to live TV, DVR capabilities, and premium features that take your viewing experience to the next level. And don't forget about Plex's Plex Discover feature, where you can find new content to watch based on your interests. And if you're into podcasts or web shows, Plex has you covered there too. Just browse through their extensive library and enjoy your favorite audio and video content without missing a beat. Plus, if you love sharing your media, Plex makes it super easy to invite friend and family to access your library. It's a great way to enjoy movie nights or binge watch your favorite series together, no matter where you are. So whether you're a film buff, a TV series enthusiast, or just looking to organize those family vacation photos, Plex.tv is your go-to app. It's all about bringing your media to life in a way that's easy and enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your media experience. Happy streaming, everyone!